Hello, Abhishka. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you feeling today?
More!
You're bored?
Yes.
Why?
Because I really need to play outside.
Outside? Okay, we can go outside. So let's play something inside. Do you have any idea?
Yeah, play the game. Mommy, I got an idea.
You got an idea? Okay, let's. Ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel, The Blogger Mom, and we are gonna teach 3 game ideas, and I got 2. The first one is gonna be the 2 old socks. Then this one, we need to put
What is that?
rice.
Okay.
We need to put rice in the socks. This is like putting it on your tummy. Now keep gonna it's almost done. Okay, the rubber bead. See? Put the raisins. See? Now we need to do the green socks. It's almost done. I'm done. What? It went inside. This is my mommy kitchen bowl, and this is my daddy's old t-shirt. I'm putting my daddy's old t-shirt inside the, and the bowl is inside the t-shirt. It looks like a trophy.
Tie করে দাও।
It looks like a trophy, right? This is too small. Now it's ready. Now we need to put inside the. Now I put this here. Now I got these things. socks. Now we're gonna throw it inside. Now I put it. Now we need to do this thing.
Uh-oh, try again.
Woo!
Not that close. Hello, Abhishka. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you feeling today?
More!
You're bored?
Yes.
Why?
Because I really need to play outside.
Outside? Okay, we can go outside. So let's play something inside. Do you have any idea?
Yes, we can play the game. We need to write the game and we need to play the game. My second game idea is if you cover this and you need to find it. I know it's too hard. Let's get what you did. You need to find which one I did it just now. Pick one and see I missed. And see I win. So you need to pick which one do you want to pick it. And if you pick the wrong one with like you will lose. If you pick the right one, then you cannot even lose anytime. Mommy, pick one. Lose. You lose. You lose. Mommy, pick one. Lose. You lose. You lose. This is a plastic cup, and I'm gonna stack all of these cups into a castle. So, one step at a time. Two buckle castle. Bye.
Hello.
It can be bigger than me. and 1. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Then what is the shape?
2, 3, 4. 1. This is all. These all numbers start with 1 because 1 is the best one. Because 1 is the first one. It can be bigger than me. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, then 4, then 3, then 2 and 1. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Then what is the shape?
2, 3, 4. 1. This is all. These all numbers starts with 1 because 1 is the best one. Because 1 is the first one. Now I will play another game. We will try again.
No.
I chose 100 million 2019. This is my new balloon, and this picture is Elsa Nana. Do you see it? Yes. This is my favorite balloonies. Let's start it right now. If you drop it, you will do the balloon dance like a chicken. If two ones here, they can get one stuffy. Now I drop it, I will do the chicken. Friends, do you like my funny game ideas? Did you? Okay, subscribe if you like my video, and please subscribe in my channel. Where is my mom's channel? Bye bye. See? I'm getting the teddy surprise. Let's try again. And again. Bye-bye.